If you've ever looked at Apple's Magic Trackpad with a hint of jealousy, good news. Windows users may finally get their moment. Hyper, a California-based tech company that's been around for 2 decades, recently launched the HyperSpace Trackpad Pro on Kickstarter, and it didn't just hit its funding goal, it smashed it within minutes. Clearly, a lot of people have been waiting for something like this. Hyper calls it the most advanced trackpad for Windows, and they're not shy about backing that up. It promises precision, full-force sensing, and contextual haptics, packed into a sleek body with rubber feet to keep it steady and a tough soda-lime glass surface on top. It's compact enough to fit neatly on your desk or slip into a bag, weighing around 300 grams and measuring roughly 167 millimeters across. If a mouse tends to leave your wrist feeling tired by the end of the day, this trackpad might be a welcome change. Its design is meant to keep your hand in a more natural, relaxed position. Plus, it's built to do a lot more than just register simple taps. The Trackpad Pro senses different levels of pressure, responds instantly anywhere you touch, and understands gesture controls. Creative users will especially appreciate the precision. It's made for detailed work in apps like Photoshop and Illustrator, and it even has smart palm rejection, so it won't freak out if your wrist brushes against it. Getting started looks effortless too. It works right out of the box with Windows 10 and 11 via Bluetooth, and if you want to push customization further, you can install the Hydra Connect app. That's where the fun really starts. You can assign shortcuts to different zones on the surface, and map taps or clicks with 1, 2, or 3 fingers. Everyday tasks like undoing, muting, scrolling, or grabbing a screenshot suddenly become quick gestures instead of keyboard shortcuts. There's also a slick feature called Edge Scroller. Instead of dragging your cursor across the screen like you're rowing a boat, you can swipe along the edge to fire off preset commands. It's subtle enough that, say, muting yourself during a Teams meeting becomes a quick, discreet swipe. No frantic mouse hunting required. Hydra Connect even lets you build custom profiles for your favorite apps. The trackpad recognizes when you switch programs and automatically loads the right gesture set. Imagine flipping brushes in Photoshop, adding new Excel rows, skipping PowerPoint slides, or jumping between apps, all with little finger movements that quickly become second nature. Mac users can technically still use the device, but only in basic point-and-click mode, since the Hydra software isn't available for macOS yet. Linux support is also on the future possibilities list, so those users may need to be patient. On the practical side, you can expect about 3 to 4 weeks of battery life per charge, and it juices up via USB-C. If you forget to charge it, we've all been there, you can still use it while it's plugged in. For early Kickstarter backers, the price starts at $90, with a planned retail price of $150 later on. If everything stays on schedule, production kicks off in December, and the first units are slated to ship in March 2026. So while you might not get it tomorrow, the finish line is finally in sight for Windows users who've been waiting for a proper Magic Trackpad rival.